guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. So, when I see the title down below, I'm here with my friend. Y'all know her. She's been in videos before. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the side here, another corner there. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram and all those stuff, okay? Before we start, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I drop a video. And follow me on all socials at Chesouye. So we're gonna do a chit chat. But whole of things. We're gonna talk about the things them. So if you wanna see more of that, stick around.
YouTube it. Some other channel just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
So first thing I write down some things. As usual, I know your girl always a forget things. So I write down some things. So the first thing I have on the list is friendships ending. Oh, I did find a tweet. I don't know if I could bring it up. I did find a tweet and I did want to talk about the tweet.
What it say?
So the tweet says, I keep seeing tweets that basically say if a female don't have any friends, she's the problem, and I just want to clear that up. No, these bitches be the problem. Bitches show friend favoritism, dish out your business on the internet, sneak this, F with your man, play sides, and don't know how to tell you how they feel about it. In agendas, the list goes on. The real genuine women don't have friends or don't have a lot of them because we're not tolerating that fake shit and we're not teaching nobody how to be a friend and we don't need them.
Facts.
So, me and the queen of cutting people off. If you're not beneficial to my life, you're not serving no purpose, you're not need for the year. Why are you here? Why are you here? If I feel like say if the personality don't mesh, if you not understand me as a person, it never ever go work. And when I say people not go have argument because me and you have argument.
Everybody have disagreement. But you see the thing with me is when I like when people try to change me. You get me? I say try to tell you what to do, how to behave. And most people don't like real people. You see? If you're a person, I'm a person who talk the truth. Anybody who know me knows that me talk my mind. I don't care if it hurts your feelings, right? Because me not gonna be hypocrite for nobody. But I talk it to your face. You get me? And a lot of females don't like that.
Yeah.
Them not like that. Them like when you
go behind them back and no, them prefer you go behind them back and me not in that. Like if I can't come to you and be blunt and say, listen, so what's up? It don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense. When you want to be
and then you have the other one.
So you get me?
After a little argument, them gone subs you.
Exactly.
Me not in the little fitness something.
Exactly.
Come to my face and say you have to say and make we decide if it's something where we can move past, we move past, and if we can't move past, we go separate ways. We don't need for argue. We don't need for fight.
Me not give second chance. The reason why as one me see a move shaky, I hit that.
Yup.
That's
where I'm at. Honestly, that's where I'm at. I've been cutting off so many people since recently.
People enough to cut them off. So
I'm just done with the foolishness.
Yeah.
I not say, oh, you do me this, I feel a way about it. I feel a way, yes, but that's it. That's as far as it goes. I'm not run back on nobody. I just alright with myself. I just feel like say before I never okay with being alone. Now I genuinely like I'm alright with my friend them I have now. I don't want a new friend around me. I don't want a new person. That is weird as hell to say people are so selfish. But at this point in our life, as the girl say, people have hidden agendas. Them not come here to be real.
Yeah.
And I feel like the people that I see one tweet before this one, it says, before you love somebody, you have to see them in every season. You have to see them when they're broke, when they have money, when they're happy,
Stop at the money part there. You see the money part there? The money part there switched enough people.
Yup.
Enough people change because of the money something there.
So the truth I say you have to see them in every season. And me feel like the people that in my life now, I see them in every season and I can work with them.
Yeah, not
so
only
me
friendship
with them.
even in our relationship.
Yeah, me I stay with them. I don't want no new people around me because I honestly just can't bother. I'm gonna give second chances. I just want to cut you. As you sleep, you slide.
Alright, that's all.
Why you trying to hurt me? If you mean me well, why you intentionally trying to hurt me? Like, it don't make no sense.
I not like people I can't reason with. If I come to you and I talk about something where I see I do or somebody, you know, it's funny, but one time I did have this friend, one girl who me used to talk about two things, you get me? And her man do something, I'm going to go to her, I'm going to talk to her, but you don't know the girl cuss me. The girl cuss me.
Girl, you don't trouble man and woman. One time they put them head pan pillar, them the business born, nobody else in the world. So
and then, you know, if you didn't hide it,
don't go into that.
She would have come and say, oh, you never tell me same do this. You never tell me same do that. I've been
stuck doing that for years. Like, I'm not tell about your man, I'm not tell about your woman. See for yourself.
I don't want nobody to come to me with them relationship problems and friendship. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm a counselor. I don't want to hear nothing. Honestly, I don't want to hear it. Sorry.
I'm really just unbothered. Like, I'm not saying I'm unbothered just with Chesouye, but I really not care. Like, I realize from one day, I just not care. You just ever been no care? We just not care. Like, no matter what, I just laugh and go through, me not care.
Mm-hmm. Because
no
at the end of the day,
what,
you just have to look up for yourself.
I tell us what of things reach me from January till now. I'm just laugh and go through. I realize I just not care. Like, I just not busy. Like, I'm not staying up at night. I sleep when I for sleep. I eat when I for eat. I not stress. I just not care. I say what? I just not care about things I should have care about. I just not care. So please.
The only thing in business about is money.
Honestly.
And if I no money, me don't want
honestly,
girl.
that's the
if I no money,
honestly,
and I have to do with done the little college,
but don't want to hear about it.
Right there, so right there, so
don't come for
the drama is not for me. Me get too irritated. No, me can't do it.
Let's talk about irritated because me get irritated easily, you know. Me cuss it out, you know.
For the slightest thing. For the slightest thing.
Can't bother.
For the slightest.
If I just put ounce of stress upon me.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah. What the next one? Confiding in people.
No, I'm not the one there.
Yeah. Honestly.
There's something right there, so I don't do with Jamaican people.
Listen,
because
I keep it bottled up until it overflow. I can't take it no more.
Yeah, I'm about one side and I eat that.
Honestly, I'm confiding in people because I'm not. Alright, listen, it depends. Like, I'll talk to my friends, like, if I really something rest on me, but me have time with it first. Like, me not something not gonna just happen to me now. I'm just go to them with it. Me I go through the motions. Lay low, feel sad if me need to feel sad, and then I say it to them.
Anybody?
But me not gonna say me not confide. But I confide, but not in new people. Exactly. It have to be somebody when me trust. I don't know.
I'm not
everybody me confide, you know.
The open up thing they're not for me.
Me just not trust nobody.
Because the minute you start talk about your problems to people, first of all, they might not understand, and them just gonna say, "Oh, everything soon be alright."
Oh, you know that. I hate that when someone man you gonna tell me everything. You know say everything gonna be alright. Who tell you says everything gonna be alright? Oh, you know that.
If them not understand what you go through, them are go act like them understand, and then as you turn your back at them, that touch at their business.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm a can't bother.
So me will just stay. Me say if something about me, I gonna keep it for the longest until me can't hold it no more, and me just go inside a ball, and then I eat that. It rare so me come out and me talk about things where bother me. Like me talk, but like minor shit. If somebody do something to irritate me, I gonna say it. But you know, if it's something big where I affect like my mental and my physical health, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not going to talk about it.
I'm just afraid. Honestly.
And it
in
very
this
in
day
a
and
good if you just keep up things, it do good.
It done good, but sometimes it is much better than the alternative. May I tell you?
Yeah.
It much better than you have to tell somebody and them really not care and them are gonna spread it, or them just genuinely want something for all against you.
Cause man
frig up.
Man happy when you're sad. Somebody
Yeah.
man you're happy.
Yo.
Yeah, baby, rub your back. And not that like that. Because you know when you're sad, you're emotional. And them just play with the emotion them. And I eat that.
Yeah.
I eat that.
So privacy in relationships. This is a necessity.
Me love my own. Me need my space.
Yeah, me need space. I'm really not a clingy person. Like I always tell people I'm not clingy. Even now, like if my depend, I've been going on dates recently. Like I said in my last video, I've been dating, and even now, like, me literally get irritated after a while. Like after certain time, like when I spend time together, after a certain time, I get irritated. Like, don't touch me.
Yeah. I've been single
Just
for a while.
don't
and
touch
now
me.
I've been in a serious relationship. I can't say it's hard sometimes because when you're there by yourself, like most of your life, you tend to just always.
I feel like that's that happened to me now.
Me like they're on my friend them, but and my boyfriend, but it's a situation where me not always want to see people.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just want to zone out, you know, and I know nothing wrong with me. Just want to sit on one side, think about my future, just just get to think.
I
Exactly.
just have clarity in my thoughts. I don't know.
And sometimes with my boyfriend, I just want some silence. I just want to know say him there beside me, I will not talk. I don't know if me weird still.
No, you're not weird. Like I literally said to the guy, I'm getting irritated. Stop touching me. And he's like, what you mean I get irritated? What you mean don't touch you? And I'm like, don't touch me. You irritate me. And I will get up and I will leave. Stop touch me.
But thinking in our relationship space, it's needed. You need to miss your partner.
Yeah.
I think we need to see each other every day, 24/7. No.
And
you get me?
have a problem.
Marriage or something, but you talk about dating.
Me not have a problem either with like. Yeah, like you don't have to call me every single minute or text me every single minute. Like you can't update me upon Wagwan or so, but me not feel like we have to text 24 hours out of the day. When you go sleep, when you go have time for yourself, when you go watch a little Netflix, when you go play some PUBG, when
you need space. I think
so me not feel like say I want 24 hours, but I still need to know what I need the update. I need to know say you still what I say. You're still interested in me. That's what me say. That's that reassurance and my love language. I don't know.
Yeah.
So if I don't get that, the minute I don't get that, I feel away. So me feel. But a privacy we don't talk about in a relationship. So yes, relationship must be private but not hidden. I don't hide nobody, nobody hide me, but still social media just no fake. When you put your relationship out there,
give people a chance to comment.
People just when them not know nothing, them are gonna say things. And me no feel like some mother bring a person upon my channel ever. Why? Because y'all are mean.
Mix up.
Mean. And at the end of the day people leave. And suppose him leave, I'm gonna be so embarrassed.
But you get a check though. You get your money though.
But would embarrassed to know. And then people are going to want the explanation. Why?
Yeah. And next thing you see girl come and say, someone know the boy there.
Yeah.
The boy
I will tell you not knowing. And I tell you, people are human. So when you want to comment them something there upon people, I tell you, me can say people feel a way about it. When you be mean, because at the end of the day, no matter how unbothered them seem, they are human, so them I go feel a way about it. Right. I'm not ask. Confrontation. Don't confront me, don't. Alright.
You confronting people or people confront you?
Alright, me feel like both. So, me feel like
I agree with confrontation.
me feel like you have to confront me but not embarrass me. I hate embarrassment.
Exactly.
Me not,
You can do. You
don't
can
come for me
confront
on
it
social media.
in private.
Yeah.
But you don't need to do it in a group of persons. Like,
I feel like you're not
some
real
shit.
if you're gonna do that.
Yeah.
You're gonna bring it to social media instead of me that is just petty and stupid and
Yeah,
no
me
make
always
sense.
see people argue on social media, but
I would never know.
We don't have each other number,
Me
right?
say-
So
When I was in high school, one girl tagged me on Facebook. Tag me, write my name and tag me. And if
Facebook used
I'm
to be
like
messy.
it, I like it and that's all. Cause I don't like embarrassment. If you're gonna try to embarrass me, we're gonna have a problem. I don't like embarrassment.
I agree with me. Rather you come to me straight up than around and me. I have a problem with you. May I come to you straight up? Can't embarrass me still. Cause you don't know nothing about me.
Starting over. I don't have a problem.
Alright,
I do kind of have a problem.
Me not all yet, but we don't have time. I'm gonna have energy. Time, energy, no. So, don't in it, man.
Alright, know that, as I said before in my last video, I recently broke up with my boyfriend, my ex-boyfriend. Now, I find it hard to start over. I'm not telling no lie. If I go tell somebody all of my insecurities, all of my secrets, all of what make me happy, what make me sad, for somebody to get to know me like that, me didn't make him know me. Me just can't bother.
Me not reach nowhere in our life. You like my mother would say, we not reach nowhere in our life.
Yeah, but life is short, and it is just, me just can't
imagine
bother.
I talk to somebody for years and then on a life for what, and then I want a new person.
I honestly just can't bother.
No, I can't bother with that. I can't bother. I just rather stay by myself.
Me literally, as I say, my date, and somebody literally said to me, why you not let me in? Because me just find it hard. Me just can't.
But me for man? Sure.
Me just don't see myself and let in nobody right now. Me just can't. It's hard enough. Like, me I love to start over, but for to tell somebody everything like that,
yeah,
I can't bother. Always being single going, that's for me. So,
can't relate.
I'm alright. Like, who left me never ball, I'm just okay. I'm doing okay mentally.
Me can say from when I was single life good until you know when I want to go out and you call a friend them and like some special shit are going on and everybody there with them Monday.
Yeah.
At them time they lick you off the nose say yo.
But I'm actually not lonely right now. In a hit me yet. I'm not lonely right now.
You man. You so lick your chip. But I just want one person to ask how are you? How was your day? You don't want one bag of people that takes your phone. That's gonna get annoying.
Yup. But for the most part, I'm alright. I really feel like I'm gonna fall in love one day, and I feel like this is not the end for me. I know this is not the end for me. I know I'm gonna get past everything. But for right now, it'll go alright. As I say, I date because I never yet date. I never yet have nobody like pick me up. Me young. I never have nobody pick me up and bring me somewhere go eat local food. I will go somewhere go talk. I may have that now. Him pick me up. We go to the park. We talk.
Hey, Jamaican men don't know what dating is, you know.
Yeah.
Or what
I never had that.
A date is.
So really
enough woman, if them ever go on a date, them are gonna say no.
So before now, I never go on a date. But in the last few weeks, I've been going on dates. I can actually say, may I get to know somebody, it feel different than anything else what I ever experienced. I'm gonna have experienced that a little longer before I try to get a new relationship. Even if this not work out for me, I'm just glad for no say, yeah, make me date. Because I never have that before. How is your relationship going?
Yo, like everything in our life, it has it up and down and sideways and twist and turn. And you get me? I said because we're not perfect and sometimes it irritate the hell out of me, but next time I'm alone, I want to talk to him alone, I want to be around. You get me? I say when me need him, I'm always there. That's one thing about him. But we have issues. Everybody does. You get me? So me just think it alright. Me not left him. We still good. If we never alright mood then mood a single.
Right.
Him caring and me really like that and enough man not show them this side there. Them just go on like yo, oh them tough and this and that. And him caring.
That is very good. I want to be like Sean one day. Alright, so boyfriend over friends. How do you choose?
Me not pick no side.
It depends.
Me have to know the situation.
Yeah.
And if my man wrong, him wrong. And if my friend wrong, she wrong.
Alright.
Me know
So,
enough people who got pick
this
them
can
man.
go well per case.
Me know
This
enough
can go
people,
well per way.
enough
Alright,
people
for
that pick them man.
example, me see already where like my boyfriend did need me, like my ex him did need me for bring something, and my friend what she did need never urgent. She want to go somewhere, yes, but she have the whole entire evening and him did have like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Hello, me go choose my boyfriend because you need it now.
It depends on the
Exactly,
situation.
that's what I'm saying. It just depends what you need. Is it more if it's more urgent, then of course me care about everybody equally.
Yeah.
But me just not
Me
say.
not go pick no side. It depends on the situation. Me know enough people are gonna say them not gonna admit it, but a lot of persons would have choose them relationship. And I value my friends them a lot. Me hardly say that word there, friend. You get me I say? So I value it just like I value my relationship, and it depends upon the situation. Because if the two of them wrong, me because the two of them I say you're wrong. You get me I say? But what if your boyfriend not like your friend? How that go? And your friend not like your man? How the one they go?
That's wrong.
Nobody can tell me who for chat.
Yeah,
First of all, nobody. If you come to my goal to say yo, why am I stop talk to him or why
but that would be fear and fame problem. Like you're not gonna put me in the middle, you know. Me have nothing to do with it. If you love me and you love me, you must can share. You must learn to share.
Right, that's
so. But now I pick my side. I can't bother with it. Right. You're not gonna stress me out. And I better not feel no friggin' bad vibes.
Yeah.
But better not.
It must be a good reason for me to say, yo, alright, I'm gonna leave him, alright, I'm gonna stop chat to her. Because sometimes my friend can know what go. And some friend devious, you know? And some friend
them
bad
go on like them hate your man, but them love your man.
Some friend bad mind, you know?
So
yo, just be careful out there who not calling a friend, because some friend bad mind. And they want what you have, yeah?
True.
And some man, them not want you have nobody but them. But Anna, so it a go.
Oh, confidence and insecurities.
What about them?
Like, oh, you gain confidence. Like, you feel like you're a very, very confident person, or you feel like you could have been more confident. You feel like you could have been more confident.
I've been confident.
But I'm still confident.
I think I'm confident.
Sometimes I doubt myself. Like me really will say, oh, I can't do this, I can't manage.
Yeah.
But me I work on it.
You do that for true.
Me I work on it.
They get a bright, you know? A bright piece of girl, you know? You ever say, oh, I don't know what to do. And then she at the end of the day,
I don't know what to do. I just go to the morning. I just don't know what to do. So, sometimes, you know, I really, really break down. Like, me ever say, help. Like, what help me? Like, I feel like, say, I'm always there for everybody, but sometimes I just need help. I just need somebody to look at me and say, you're alright. I'm going to say, yes, I'm alright. And I'm saying, no, you're not alright. Come argue. I mean, sometimes I just not have that. Sometimes I just not have that. So, me need them something too. My tired for always like, gi, and now get.
Yeah, me, same.
I just can't bother.
I have insecurity, we want to talk about them.
But I have insecurities.
Everybody,
I feel like everybody have insecurities.
In a relationship, you might tell a partner, but I like the relationship with when me in a know, I'm alone now. In every other relationship, nobody know. One friend know, I him. And that's it. Because, and I not really have enough, as myself, I have confidence in myself. In every aspect. But sometimes, yes, I do question it. But I don't like me sit down and make it, because if you sit down and make certain things, the
For
negative,
you can't move forward.
The negative, it'll go mess with you. The negative vibes are gonna mess with you. And you don't want that around you. You just want pure positive vibes.
At this time in our life and forevermore, I just want positive people around me. I just want positive energy, positive vibes. I feel like say if you if you can't do none of that, what you there for? I just go cut you off. I've done self-evaluation in the past 5 months. We're gone, and I just realized that some people just not beneficial. The other day I wasn't posting on YouTube. I did a post on Instagram. I not text nobody on WhatsApp. And I go through my phone, my delete number, I go through my gallery, I clean up my phone, I tell her change my wallpaper, change my home screen, go through my music, delete them, go through my followers list. And I just there try to fix my life. Because I just there self-evaluate. And I say, like, if them something here not beneficial to my life, what them there for? Yeah. What them there for?
Yeah.
I'm just there go through and I delete things. I feel like say things around me are the cause of certain things sometimes. So I know I can't take a social media break. Why I can't take one? Because it's just not viable. I go to school. I would love to come off of WhatsApp and use iMessage alone. But at the end of the day, I have school group. I can't just get up and come on.
Yeah. The first thing you have to check the email.
I just can't get up on Instagram.
College people know
Instagram, I make money off of Instagram. I have promotions to do. I'm a brand ambassador. I can't just get up and come off of Instagram.
You can't make people drive you to do certain things.
So
sometimes you have to take a break, yes, but you still have to make money. And you can't make people stop you from making money. Because at the end of the day, them money better than them.
So guys, that's the end of our chit chat. I hope you want to say. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed listening to us talk about
we agree upon certain things that we were
and
saying.
if you have your views, you can just leave them down in the comment section.
But if it's negative, nobody say nothing. Nobody say nothing. Because I promise you we don't care.
Remember say we don't care.
We don't care.
We really don't care. Like I be going through the comments. Like I talk about this before my name. So the other day I posted a video, right? And I don't remember which video, and people are talking a lot of shit. Probably is the most popular video, the lesbian prank. And people there talk shit on there. And I went through all of my comments because it is very important as a YouTuber to go through your comments. So I went through I always go through my comments.
We did not see them there talk about being a lesbian for real.
Yeah. So I went through all my comments and normally would answer people. So did I answer them? Yes, I answered them. Yeah. I tell them to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Me will not argue under there. But if you comment me, I go answer you. So please, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on all socials at Chesouye. Remember, follow my friend. I am Shanoy. It's gonna be in the
Instagram, Twitter, everything.
Yeah. And I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.
Fish Island.